Hi, this is Mike Hastings with Property Management in Nashville. And I wanted to tell you a little bit about who we are and how we compare with other property managers. My thought is that you're here looking at this because you're looking for a property manager, maybe even right now at this time. And so it's important to see some of the differences and how we set ourselves apart from some of the other companies. Number one, if you look at a comparison between Property Management Nashville, our six, and we give six written guarantees, and versus the typical property management company. Number one, tenant replacement. Um, the typical uh, management company is going to charge you again, even if they pick that tenant during the first year. They're gonna charge you that half a month or whatever, the whole month or a half a month or whatever. Uh, Here at Property Management Nashville, that's not the case. If we pick that tenant and if they break the lease anytime during the first 12 months, we will release your property for free. Okay, for free. Number two, um, evictions. It's a topic that none of us like to talk about. And it's sort of the bane of our existence in terms of being an investor and a property manager. Most companies, there's no protection whatsoever. If they pick the tenant and they screen them and they go through the process, and in unfortunate circumstance, they have to go through a tenant eviction, you don't get anything. You just have to go through it. With Property Management Nashville, we feel that we're in this with you. So we'll offer you up to $1,000 in your legal fees for eviction if that were to come to the case. I mean, after all, we picked them, and you know what? The other company picked them too. So that's fair. Number three, let's look at the management fee. Um, you in most companies that you'll talk about, you're going to pay that management fee whether that property is rented or not. Not so with Property Management Nashville. If we don't have a tenant paying the rent on your property, we don't get paid either. That's fair. We don't get paid, you don't get paid, we don't get paid. We think that's fair, don't you? Number four, pet protection. So many people have pets nowadays, especially since COVID. With your average company, if they do some extra damage or anything like that, you're not going to get any kind of protection, written protection for that at all. It's going to be up to you and maybe your insurance company or whatever. No coverage whatsoever. At Property Management Nashville, we have certain pets that we don't allow. And there's a list of those on our website at propертymanagementnashville.com. And because of that, and because of the screening that we do, we'll pay you up to $1,000. We have $1,000 guarantee if that pet does damage to your home above the security deposit. And golly, that is, I think, more than fair, don't you? Transparency. Okay. Now it varies. It depends on the company that you're with. But with property management, we want to be as transparent as we can be. And we think that's important because, and so we provide a full 24/7 access. You can go on to the owner portal and you can look at statements, you can look at expenses, you can look at income, any other documents that are there loaded on the website, and you have access to that 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That's pretty good, isn't it? We think so. And experience. Okay. Um, Again, that's a mixed bag with most companies, but I can tell you with us, Property Management Nashville, it's a family-owned business. I started this with my wife several years ago, but we've been doing property management in Nashville for over 40 years. I mean, right here, we're from here. We have contacts. We have all the repairmen and everything in order to do this job. And we have the experience. There's very few instances that we would be faced with, as it relates to your property, that we haven't faced before. And after all, that's kind of what you're looking for, I would think. When you put a very valuable asset in the hands of somebody, you want to know that that's an experienced company or individual, don't you? I know I would. So we hope you choose us, and thank you for listening. My name is Mike Hastings. I have a company called Property Management Nashville. You can look at us online at propertymanagementnashville.com, or you can feel free to call me on my personal cell phone at 615-403-1008. And thank you so much.